Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy corn dog recipe in Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just cooked up this corn dog and I'm going to get it. Okay, this is how the corn dog looks like and I'm going to show you the easiest way to make corn dog. Okay, first of all guys, you will need corn, of course. I'm going to submit this corn and then I'm going to submit pepper. Okay, the second ingredient is pepper. Okay, I'm going to choose this wet pepper. Okay, and then the last ingredient you'll need is coconut. Okay, submit the coconut and then you will get the corn dog. Alright guys, I'm going to give you the alternative ingredients. I'm going to go to my garden guide and I'm going to go to the food. Okay. Wait. Okay, this is the alternative for corn dog. Okay, of course you will need corn for the base ingredient. And for the meat, you can use bell pepper, cactus, taco fern, mushroom, glowshroom, amber lily, and bone blossom. And then for the steak, you can use one of these fruits: nectarine, kiwi, avocado, sugar apple, pear, and so on. You can choose one of them. Okay, wait. And yeah, you can try to cook the corn dog to get the pet pouch. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.